Tired of waiting in those never-ending McDonald's lines while your stomach rumbles? Well, I'm about to show you how to skip the queue and grab your favorites faster using the McDonald's app for in-store pickup. Let's get started. First, make sure you've downloaded the McDonald's app from your app store and created an account. Once you're in, you'll usually land on the Deals tab. But we want to head over to the Order tab. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen. Now browse the menu just like you would at the counter. See something you like, tap on it, then customize it to your liking. Want extra pickles on that Big Mac? Go for it. Once you're happy, hit Add to Order. Take a look at your order summary to make sure everything is correct. Found it? Great. Now it's time to choose your pickup location. Make sure location services are enabled so the app can find nearby McDonald's restaurants. Select the one you want. Now proceed to checkout. Here's the important part. Select pickup as your order method. At checkout, select the type of payment you prefer. Apple Pay, Google Pay, or a saved card will work. After entering your payment information and confirming, hit the Place Order button. You'll see a confirmation screen with your order number. The app will update you on the status of your order. Preparing, ready, and so on. Don't head to the restaurant until it says ready. Once it's ready, head inside and look for the designated mobile order pickup area. Show your order number to the crew member, grab your food, and enjoy. It's really that simple. Now you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your favorite McDonald's treats. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more time-saving tips.